Yeah, last time we are discussing about personal data, right?
Yes.
Personal data, the info type number is 0002. Okay.
Yes.
So the info type number is 4-digit number.
Yes.
Okay. So before that, I want to mention one thing. If you go SAP PA related info type range, right? Info type range. Range start from 00000 to 0999. Okay. All the info types related to personal administration, they are in the range of from 4 zeros to 099.
Okay.
Okay. For example, if you take info type 6, then that means within this range, right? Info type 6 means address details, so that's why it is personal administration.
Yeah.
And the SAP OM, organization management info type.
01.
01.
0001.
No, 1000. Here ends with 999, right? After that,
yes.
What is the number? 1000.
Okay. Okay.
1000 to 199.
Okay.
And then administration, organization management, time management, SAP TM.
Okay.
Time management starts from 2000 to 2999.
Okay.
Okay. And then payroll related info types will come under here only. PA related only. Payroll related.
Okay. PA.
Yes, PA you can say. Actually, while standard we mention SAP PA info type. PA info type is 0 to 99. So this includes payroll related info types also.
Okay.
Organization management is 1000 to 199. For example, if somebody says what is the info type 1001? 1001 belongs to which submodule of SAP? 1001 info type. Then we have to mention that it is related to organization management.
Okay.
If it is somebody says what is the info type 2006? 2006 means you have to check time management related. And SAP has given the provision to create the custom info type also.
Okay.
We can also create our custom info type. It starts from 9000 to 999. Okay. For example, the client wants the screen based on his requirement, because SAP standard don't have required fields. In that case, the client asks to create the custom info type. Okay. So it is based on the client requirement. Client will view the details like which field he wants, whether it is a drop down or checkboxes. So based on their requirement, client view, so that we can create the custom info type. Okay. Custom info type we want to create, then the range is 9000 to 999.
Okay.
Now we are discussing about the personal data. Right? So if you go to the personal data, here you can see, right, the personal data green tick one was maintained. Right?
Yes.
Here the main fields are like first name, last name, the last name, and title also. This one is important, and we have the date of birth. This one, nationality, gender. These fields are like marital status. These fields are very, very important. We will use these fields very frequently. And the employee name is we are taking from info type. Somebody will ask, read the employee name from the info type. Then you have, where is the employee name is available? In info type 2 only employee name is available. Earlier we have seen actions info type, organization assignment info type. There we don't have the employee name, right?
Yes.
here we have the employee name field here. See this one. NACHN.
Last name first.
This one. NACHN, VRNA, and we have the title. Okay.
Okay.
And this one, gender, GESCH. Gender, this one is very important.
Okay.
And we have the nationality, NATIO, nation.
Okay.
And date of birth, GBDAT.
Okay.
So these things are important. I will mention this because we will use it very quickly. First name is Rona, last name is NACHN, title is TITLE, gender is GSCH, age. Sometimes age will not be available. We need to calculate it from the program. It will not be available in the info type table directly.
Okay.
Okay. We need to calculate based on the date of birth till date, like difference between two dates. Then we will get. Okay, we got the point. And these are the main fields, and all the other fields like location, country, and we will use from
Nationality.
Nationality. Nationality also, I think we have NATIO. This one also, nationality is also very important because the company will ask for the nationality of a person, right?
Okay.
Nationality is NATIO. NATIO. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, so this is about the personal data. Okay.
Okay.
We have discussed about actions,
Actions, address.
address also we discussed, right?
Yes. Yes.
I think we did not mention the fields. We'll add that one also. Here in address details, we have the concept of subtype, right? Here we have the subtype.
Okay.
006. So in the address, see here, this is info type C. If you go to the subtype, the address can be permanent, right? Permanent address, temporary, home address, emergency, anything. Like when you're joining in the organization, they will ask two addresses, permanent and temporary communication, right?
Yes.
So that is called subtype. Okay. For example, in the for the main info type, we have some other subtypes like different types of addresses. Then we mention it as a subtype. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
For example, here I am taking, let's say, permanent address. See here, address type in the drop down, you can see all the mentioned 4 health values here. Permanent address, temporary address, mailing address, all the details will be here address type. And the corresponding like details, street, housing number, building, postal code, all those details will be. But in some other cases, like if you see, there are some mandatory fields are there.
Yes.
See, this is asking about the country key, which country it belongs to.
Yes.
So we will see the field names, especially in address. We have
Country K land one.
yeah. We have the address record type. That means address record type and also contact name. Subtype. What is a field name for subtype? You know, subtype. Directly we will have the subtype here.
Yes.
And we have city. This one country key is important. Land one. Okay.
Okay. Postal code.
Yes. Postal code.
PST.
Yes. Postal code. Page. Country code. Country code also. Like, country code means like they will have the specific country code, right? Instead of the complete name. So those are the country codes.
Yeah. Country key.
Yes. Mention. We have subtype. Huh?
Yeah.
Subtype for the field and subtype is CVTY, and then we have country land one. And then we have the postal code EST LZ. Country code. So these are the related to address. Okay. And one thing I want to tell you, see these info types will have one specific structure. Okay. For example, this is important info type structure.
Okay.
For example, we have EA0006. Let's say we have EA key, ESHB1, ES data. And if you take any other info type like EA0000, we have EA key, ESHD1, EA000.
Okay.
Take EA001. We have EA key, ESHD1. Sorry, PS. Okay, you got my point. So this is the standard format. If you take any info type, commonly
Okay.
we have the PA key, PSSD1, and the
Okay.
corresponding PS structure. If you
Okay.
take info type 0, we have PS00, PS0 in the table level. Info
Okay.
type structure in SC11. If you go in SC11, I will show you. For example, this is the standard given by the SAP. See here, after mandate field, client field, we have the
Okay.
included PA key.
Okay.
Right? Under this include PA key, we have the personal number, subtype, object identification, end date, start date, all those details will be the sequence number. This is very, very important. Okay.
Okay.
and we have the PSSD1.
Okay.
PA key is related for HR master data. PSSD1 is related to control record fields. That means here we will use only, not all fields, we will only these two fields, AE, DTM and username. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, we have the corresponding PS structure. This one. Right.
Mhm.
So in the PA key, we have the personal number, subtype, begin date, end date, all those details will be there in PA key.
PAK.
Okay.
Okay.
And PSSD1, we have the who created the record, username. Okay. And also, what is the date of last change, when the record was created, AEDTM. These two fields will be there. For example, if I try to run this, see, till now there are all these fields are in light blue color, right? Personal number. If you see the color here, light blue
Yeah.
color is there, right? Till here.
Yes. Hmm.
So all these are related to PA key.
Okay.
Personal number, subtype, start date, end date, object ID, identification number, sequence number. Till here, all these fields are related to PA key.
Okay.
Okay. So this is changed on, changed by. See, changed on is the username here.
Okay.
Changed on is the when the record was created. So
Hmm.
those from here to till grouping value, all of these are related to PSSD1. From here onwards, if you see the screen, right? Screen, we
Yeah.
have the like city, postal code, country, all these are related to PS structure.
Okay.
Okay, you got the point. I will mention those details. So, for example, if you are talking about PAGs, PAGs key for HR master data.
Okay.
Here we have one partner, right? Subtype we have Begda, and we have the OBJPS sequence number, SPRPS.
Okay.
Here we have the partner subtype OBJPS, SPRPS, begin date, end date, sequence number. Okay, I will tell you about all these fields when we are into the programming, then we'll come to know. So currently
Okay.
you understand about the partner subtype, begin date and end date. Okay.
Yes.
I will tell about the OBJ, RPS, SPRPS sequence number later in the programming. We'll use these in later in program. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So right now you concentrate on PA key. PA key means what? All key fields. These are all key fields. You see here.
Yes.
These are all key fields. PA
Keep
key.
it.
For each and every info type, we should have the compulsory partner number. Compulsory, we should have the subtype. Begin date, end date also required, right? Because when the
Yes.
record was created, we should also know about these details. So all these are key fields. So that's why SAP has mentioned that that is the key for HR master data, PA key. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then we have this one PSHD1. PSHD1 we mainly concentrate on. I told you, right, this AEDTM and also UNAME. Okay, you know, right? AEDTM means change date.
Okay.
UNAME is username.
Okay. Okay.
And then we have PS structure. PS 006. Here what we have corresponding type related address fields. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I will show you the other info type also. For example, if you go to info type 000, See here.
Sure. Yeah.
Here we have PAT,
Okay.
PSHD1, and come to the bottom at the include we have PS structure, PS000.
Yes.
Here they mentioned key for HR master data, HR master data control fields, and then we have the HR master data info type actions. Here MAS and MAS, the employee group subgroup, these are related to the screen related. Okay.
Oh.
If you double click on the PS structure, include, you can find only related to certain action related fields here. PS structure, PS000.
Okay.
You can also directly go. Here we have given PA, right? We can also use PS0000. That means it will show the include directly, right?
Right.
Now we go PA0001. See here, organization assignment also, PA key, PSHD1. Okay, and then we have include PS0001, right?
Yes. Right.
Here we have like all the key fields, and in PSHD1 also we have the AEDTM. Mostly in PSHD1 we use only these two only. We will concentrate only these two fields only. Real-time projects and programming also, we will use these two only. And coming to PS structure, we use based on the details entered by the user, the corresponding PS structure. Okay. And then see, I told you about like PA, PS, right? And we have P0001 also. Observe here, P0001.
Okay.
You click on display, that is also a structure.
Yeah.
Here what we have, PS key. PS key.
Okay. Yes.
PS key, PSHD1. And also PS structure.
Okay.
This is for your knowledge purpose only. I am telling. Actually, this one we won't use much, but instead of confusion, okay.
Okay.
You have to know this P structure also, P0001. Sometimes we will use, but it is better to know. I will tell you P0001 structure format. So what we have in PSP, PSSD1, PSP, PSHD1, also PS0, right?
Okay.
So structure means, you know, right? What is the difference between structure and table?
Yes, I.
Yeah, in the structure we don't have the key fields. That is just a structure format.
Yes.
If you see here, there is no key field
Yes.
here.
Yes. Yes.
So this is just a structure. So whatever the fields are same. You see here, kernel number, input type,
Yeah.
subtype is there, complicated PS is there, domain name, sequence number is there. When coming to PSHD1, yes, we have the AEDTM and username is there. This is just a structure. Sometimes going to the debugging mode, you can find this key structure also. So you don't confuse in that case.
Okay.
Yeah. So you got the point, right? Info type structure. Info type structure, this one. So info type structure, this is if you go to the PA, then we have the PA
Okay.
key, PSSD1, PS structure. PS. So when you're coming to like P structure, then we have PS key, PS. All are in PS mode only. See here. Similar to PS key, PSH D1, PS000.
Yeah.
PS3, PSH D1, PS0006, and so on. Okay.
Okay.
Here we have PA format. PA format, PA, PSSD1, PS0. Here we have all in S format. PS.
Yes.
And then, so what are the other info types we need to discuss? Starter completed. We have the
And
bank salary details. See, basic pay. That means employee related to the wage. That means the salary details will be here. Basic pay.
yeah, 8.
When I click on create,
PA0008.
it is. So here we have to give the date. So when the employee is joined, so from that joining date only we add the record here. Okay,
Yes.
just mentioning the start date like this, and here we have wage type here. See here
Oh,
wage type.
yes.
So from client to client, they will mention the wage type. Like this monthly salary per month, there will have one wage type code. For other monthly housing allowance, they will have the other code. So all these are related to the amount related fields, wage type. Okay. So for example, if I say 5,000 currency, 5,000. Let's see what we have. So it is asking some other fields here. PS group. We mention the currency here. So these are some standard fields. If you see here, pay scale, reason, PS type, PS area, PS group, PS level, right? These are
Yes.
related to like employee, like which employee belongs to which group, and which pay scale level. These fields we don't use much. Basically, the functional people will concentrate on this pay scale level. Okay, but we need to concentrate on wage type and what is the amount. Okay,
Okay.
and so what is the currency type? We need to mention. We need to concentrate on this. Actually, in the system, it is giving some standard error. I'm trying to. So basically, when the employee is joined, the salary details, pay details will be maintained here. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Mainly, so concentrate on that. Then we will click on save. The record will be saved. When we coming to this field names, we have the PA208.
Yes.
Here we need to. These are common.
Software.
Here, right? PA key, PSSD1. We need to concentrate on PS structure. So in the PS structure, if you see then screen related fields, pay scale type, pay scale area, I showed you that just now, pay scale group, pay scale level.
Yes.
All those details will be in the PS structure.
Mhm.
Here we have the base type field. I told you right, we have a base type like LGART or LGA01. This is the actual data element, LGART.
Okay.
The field name can be LGA01 and it depends on the table to table, but the actual data element LGART for the base type.
Okay. Yeah.
And what are the other fields? We have this LGART, base type. We have this the date of next increase. This is important. Date of next increase means, for example, you have joined in 01/01/2020, right?
Yes.
So when will be the next increase? That means after 1 year, right?
2021.
Yeah,
22.
2020.
22.
Yeah. So that is the date of next increase. This one. This one also we use frequently. STV.
Okay.
We have to know about these fields also. ERF, ARTRF, GB, FGR, FST. These are also important.
Scale type. Okay.
Yeah, these we will use when coming to the payroll. We will know
Yes.
into them very deep. Okay? We'll discuss about EL basic pay. So type number is PA
008.
waste. And then we have to what are the fields we have waste type. Waste type is ART. And then date of next increase, right? Still, and we have this pay scale type, pay scale area, pay scale. Pay scale type, pay scale group, pay scale level. ERF, TRF, FGB, FGR, FST.
Hmm.
FST.
Yes.
Okay, and one thing you have to concentrate on, you see the like basic pay. So where is the basic pay here amount?
Yes.
Did you get the basic pay field here? Where is the amount actually?
I don't see basically.
Yeah. So why? Because this info type it is different structure actually.
Okay.
How it will store means if you observe here we have LGS01, BT01,
Yes.
right? And you have ANZ01, AN, RT. This is one set of fields still here 01/01/01/01.
Okay.
Observe this LGA01, BT01, ANZ01, AN01, OPK0. And then the series starts again 02/02/02,
0.
right?
Yes.
Similar fields LGA02, BT02, ANZ02, AN02. till here. Again 3 series.
3. Yeah.
Again 4. Again
4,
5.
5.
Again 6. Till we have 40.
Oh,
See here till 40. LGA 40.
okay.
And then after 40, you see the structure changing. There is no 41.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
See, this is a standard format given by the SAP. Because why in this way? Because you need to concentrate on like these two mainly.
Wage type.
These two only, page type and amount. The wage type number means wage type means this value M020 is there, right? This is the value.
Okay. Yeah. M0
And
to
then
5.
amount, wage type amount for payments means ET01 is the amount. This one 5,100 is there, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is the amount. This is called repetitive structure.
Okay.
This is very important. Repetitive structure means, example, we can take EA0008 and also we have EA0041 also. We will see the repetitive structure will be there. I will tell you later. Okay.
Okay.
Currently, we will check EA0008. That means we have LGA 01, ET01, and then ANZ01, AN. I think we won't use those details like so that's why I'm not mentioning. Okay? LGA 02, LGA ET 0, and so on. LGA 40, ET 40. Understood?
Yes.
I'm not mentioning about other fields because this ANZ0 we don't use much. Okay, we only concentrate on wage type and the wage type payment.
Yes.
Sometimes we will use this ANZ01 also. I will mention this one.
Here, 2 wage types are there.
Yeah, if you see here, we have wage type can be like for employee along with salary, we have other allowances, right? Like transportation, housing, and some other like child education, social allowance, child allowance. So many benefits depends on the company to company, right?
Yes.
Housing allowances, and they mentioned the school allowance, hospitality allowances. So all these are related to wage type. These are called wage type. Different allowances. It signifies the amounts basically, right?
Yes.
And we have the social electricity allowance. So many things are there. So all these are related. They will have some certain code, wage type code.
Okay.
So for basic salary, we have given one code. Monthly salary M020. They have given one code. So till 40. Why? Because why SAP has created till 40? Because the amount field can be at anywhere. This monthly salary field can be anywhere. For example, if you see here, the first base type is M020, right?
Yes.
In the first line, first record. And some other allowances are in some other record. Like whatever allowance you will create, all those allowances one by one will be created here.
Okay.
You know, this is table control, you know, right? This is table control. Do you know table control concept? You know, right? Table control. So all these fields are related to the repetitive structure because the corresponding amount field can be stored at LGA01 or LGA02 because user can create this M020
Okay.
their first record, but some other user they will create first record as M025, second record as M045, third record as M020.
Okay.
So that a base type can be stored anywhere. So that's why SAP has created like structure LGA01, 02, 03. It can be anywhere. It can store it anywhere. But while
Okay.
reading the data for basic salary, for example, you have to read using the base type. For example, if you are fetching the data, we have to view the query as passing the base type, then we will get the corresponding related field value. Got my point?
Yes. Yes.
This is called repetitive structure. I will show you info type 41 also. Info type 41 date specifications especially. Here we have repetitive structure. Here also we have this see here DR01 DT01.
Yes.
Again DR02. Here 3, 4, 5 up to 40.
Okay. Yeah.
So this client has implemented these only. They implemented till 24 actually. Basically, it is repeating, right?
Yes.
So this
Repeat.
info type 41 will store the date related specifications. That means I will show you. For example, if we join in the organization, there will be a joining date, right? So the
Yes, sir.
joining date will be stored in info type 41
Okay.
date specifications. Here, if you see here, see date, type, description, and date.
Yes.
For example, what is this? The date type you see here. See technical data of entry, pension fund entry, pension group
Start.
entry. Like some important date related entries will be stored here. For example,
Okay.
if an employee has given the bonus, interim bonus, technical data of entry. Basically, it will store related to the dates, date related.
Okay.
So I will write down that date specification also. Here we have the date specification. That is info type 0041. Like for example, I will tell you service computation date, technical data of entry, pension entry date. So basically, it signifies about the dates. Okay.
Yes.
You can view the entry date here. For example, some employee joined on 01/01, 20, some April date. You can view the date here, right? Technical data of entry. For example, some other employee, they got some bonus.
Okay.
Okay. So when that employee has got the bonus, for example, you can view the date, 30th of November 2021, like this. Okay. record created. If you want to go to the change mode, you can find it. And if you go and we'll give some other see here date of notice given, notice period start date, end date, right?
Yeah.
So these values will change from client to client. See, if you work in any other project for any client, some of they don't have same exactly, it differs.
Okay. Okay.
For which they require, based on their requirement, this will be configured by the functional people.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Yeah. So basically, these are related to the date specification. This is also important. Date specification info type is info type party one. You press party one here, press enter, you will get it.
Okay.
And then we have info type 21. This is also important. Info type 21 is family details.
21 department detail.
Department.
Department detail.
Okay. No, family member dependents.
Okay.
Here, if you press info type 8, it will automatically do the description, right? 8 means basic.
Okay.
6 means address. 21 means family.
Yeah.
Family details. Info type 21 is the family. Okay.
Yeah, dependent. Sorry.
Dependents. Family member and dependents. Family details and dependents. For example, if employee join, they will give the family details, like spouse details, that details, right? So all those details will be maintained here based on their subtype, like father name, mother name, or child, right?
Yeah.
So these family details, for example, it is a spouse, for example, take spouse subtype, and we click on create. So for example, started 01/01/2021. So we have to give the name. Okay, I'm giving test spouse, and we have the gender is selected by default. See here.
Yeah. Okay.
We have to give the date of birth. Let's say for some random date of birth. And click on enter here. It will ask for any other mandatory fields if it has. Otherwise, it will not mention. I will say save your entries. Okay.
Okay.
See here, and also for dependent, what will mention here? Passport details, visa details, issue date, expiry date, document number. These are all also required, right? If any other like license, like any identity card, insurance card, transportation card, work permit. So all those details will be mentioned. See, SAP has given all the option.
Yeah.
For each and every like question, every solution, they have already provided in the screen, standard info types. Almost 80% of the cases, whatever the requirement we received, we will see in the standard info type summary. Okay. Only for a few cases, we will create the custom info types.
Yeah.
Okay. So all the details are they mentioned here by default. Let's see whether it will accept or not. It will take a standard or not. Just I am trying randomly. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it has taken.
Okay.
See all the details. I'm saving it. Okay. Record created. When you go into the backend table level, ES0021. Okay. Let me check here. Click on execute. Continue. Click on execute. See here, we got for employee number 2, subtype this one. So username, this is my username, today's date, right?
Yes.
And all those things.
Yes.
If you go in like in this display mode also, you can see there.
Yeah.
Test name, number 2, name, format, all those details. So here the important fields are like in the PS family, this one date of birth, we have like a date of birth, nationality, and the birthplace, address of the child. What is this type of family record? FAMSA. Did you get this point? FAMSA type of family record.
Yeah. Family record.
Type of family record is nothing but it is related to the,
20.
it is related to similar to subtype only. See here
Okay.
A is 01, right?
Okay.
Here A is 01, subtype only. It is related to subtype only. For example, I will show you in vertical way. See here A is 01 is the subtype, right?
Okay.
And here also family member, here also A is 0. This A is 01 mainly in PA key.
PA
This
key.
A is this one PA key subtype. See here PA key subtype. See here we have PA key, right? In PA key we have subtype.
Okay.
Again, in the structure level also, we have that subtype, specifically like relevant field, related to the corresponding info type. We have basically both are same. What I am trying to say.
Okay.
For example, I will try to create one more record. For example, let's say child. System maybe seems right. So do you have access details? Which you access
Yes.
to?
Yes, I do.
Are you able to access?
Yes, I can. I have created two fields.
Yeah. The system seems hang. Yeah, now it is coming. Now it is coming.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we'll add child details. Okay, child details will add. And here we add details 0, 1, 0, 5, 20, 20. And we will give a name. First. We will give the data over. See here, it was enabled now. When you click on child, the child can be male and female, right? It can be anything. So it was enabled here.
Yes.
So we give the corresponding nationality and all those details. Now I'm saving it. It's record created. When you go into the backend, C11. See here,
Yeah.
the subtype is created. This is spouse, this is for child, right? Spouse. So what I'm trying to say is, this one, this one, 2AE01 both are same. Here we have a subtype. This subtype belongs to PA key. In PA key we have subtype field, right? This is a standard one. It will automatically store. This is the structure related subtype. So both are same. And what I'm trying to say, both are same. We don't confuse. Both are same.
Okay. Structure
Subtype,
related.
subtype related. Structure related.
Okay.
So similar that we can create like any number of like family details. You can enter father, mother details, guardian details. You can enter any details. So when you select it automatically selected female.
Yeah.
Click on save. See record created. Okay. So similar to that, we can create whatever family details provided by the consultant.
Yeah.
And then we have other info type called bank details. Info type 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Info type 9 basically like your pay related details, like we are giving the details like whether it is the main bank or like other bank. Actually, everybody will use the main bank details. Okay? So we have to give the pay name, country, city, and bank country code. For example, we will say this is country B. See here.
Yes. Yeah.
All those details. So this is test the bank they had to, so that's why we are getting 1, 2, 3 some random numbers. Okay. So what is the payment method? Which is the cash payment or something like bank transfer?
Bank transfer. Okay.
Yeah. Here the F4 field they did not maintain, but in the F4 field we have option like bank transfer. Like they will guide the salary details to the bank directly. Purpose, you can say salary. Employee money, payment currency, can say IN. Don't enter bank data for payment with cash. So we are giving like they are giving cash payment, right? So they require this. So they don't require right this banking. If it is a bank transfer, then only required. You got the point?
Yes.
So for example, here we give the number. So this one is not required. So standard it is throwing error. Please don't enter bank data for payment method cash flow.
Okay.
Here it was by default selected cash payment, so that's why it's not required. We are giving it to the tab by hand, right? So that's why it is giving there.
Okay.
If you want the transfer, then actually in the F4 they have to maintain, but they did not maintain that. Let's see in backend whether we have it. We have the payment currency, payment method. You can see the payment method. Equal. See here we have payment T0426. We have payment methods. See here we have payment methods.
Check.
Yeah, we have this cash, transfer, this one, right?
Yeah.
So different types of like depends on the country. We have different types of. For example, if I give let's see what it will display.
Yeah.
Let's see. See if we see here we have check cash payment, bank transfer is there also. T.
Yes.
This is important for bank transfer. The code is payment method is T here. T.
Okay.
For
Okay.
check we have the payment method is C.
See.
For cash payment we have. Okay.
Okay.
So these are related to the family details. I think it's not required the fees, but just I want to tell those details. But it is related to the bank. These are very important because these will be useful in the payroll also. Okay. Payment method. Payment methods we have bank transfer, right? Cash. What else? Check, right? Okay. Got all those details here in info type bank details. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We discuss in more detail tomorrow. I am ending the session to here. Okay. Just revising the topics we have today. We have seen the info type ranges. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So we have different types of info type ranges. We have provision to create the custom info type also. We have seen the info types of personal data, the corresponding important field name, and then we have seen the address details, and then we have seen the structure.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the structure of PA structure? What is the structure of PS? And all those details. PS structure also we have seen, and then we have seen the basic data details. Basic data, and we have seen the repetitive structure also.
Yes.
Okay. Till now I am ending the session. And one question, do you have what is the other flexible time? Do you have any other flexible timing for the session? Do you have any other timing?
Evening now.
Okay. At what time to what time?
When would be available? You tell.
Sorry.
You tell me when would be available.
Yeah, actually, based on this time is okay, but sometimes if I got the client meeting and urgency work, just I am trying whether we have an option of like other flexible time or not.
Okay. Is it okay 9 to 10 p.m.?
This morning, I'm telling like after 11 o'clock or afternoon 1 to 2, 1:30 to 2:30. Is it okay? 1:30 to 2:30 afternoon. Is it okay? What is your timing? What is your working timing, office timing?
10 to 6.
Okay. Lunch time is we will go in between 1 to 2 or 1:30 to 2:30.
Yeah, 1 to 2. Working from home, right? Yeah.
Yes. Okay.